Hashtag.
Sing with me, YOLO. You only live once. So, let's go have some fun. Yeah.
YOLO! You only like Oreos?
No, that's not it. It means your life ain't boring, yo. Why?
Oh, that spells YOLO!
You only live once.
Wait, Tail, I'm confused though.
Let me break it down letter by letter. It's not doing crazy things, it's living life better. Why waste your time on diamonds and pearls?
Okay, I think I understand, cause we're not of this world. I live my life on fleek and on point too. And I'm gonna keep it 100 like Lecrae would do. Let me bring you up to speed, cause my mind's been blown. I'm not wasting my life, I'm stepping up tenfold.
YOLO, give it all that you got now. You only get one life to change this world around. That's
I
right.
sponsored 10 kids and prayed hard for them too. Schooled at theology debate and that was all before noon. And then I straight hit the streets and started slanging my track. Rebuked a dude who refused, I didn't cut him no slack. Cause you only live once, so I'ma make it all count.
That all sounds great, but you're getting really loud. Make like a son and dial it back. But you're like a freight train getting way off track.
Speaking of sons, he's coming back real soon. Gonna start a YouTube channel warning every single dude. One world government just around the bend. Microchips just to start my naive little friend.
Illuminati?
By nature, not cause I hate you. Gonna bust this wide open, gotta straight Watergate ya. No, seriously, Google chemtrails, it's real, bro.
Live YOLO, but now you're getting crazy. I said, oh no, what in the world are you saying?
Okay, you're starting to scare me. Bring the volume down half. Lay off of the clover, switch to straight decaf. Everything you're doing, there's a time and a place, but you need to slow it down. Life isn't a race.
Well, technically, Paul.
Stop it right now. You're doing it again. Your aggro approach got me straight stumbling. The idea's on fleek, but you're missing the love. The real playmaker is the Father above. His spirit will guide you to do good works.
Oh, and speaking of works,
I'm done.
Oh no, we're all gonna die. So live YOLO, don't stand on the sidelines. Well, you know, you only live this one time. I'm a poet, and I know it cause I can rhyme. YOLO is so cool, water polo, solo, like Perry Como.